Hey everyone, it's Kay. I'm coming back to you with another do-it-yourself Christmas tutorial. This will be my last do-it-yourself Christmas video for this year. And so I wanted to go ahead and show you what we're going to be making. These Christmas snow globes. So we're going to do this, and you can actually put a candle in there. It's actually a candle holder. I just did these, so I want to let them dry, but I wanted to go ahead and come and make this video. So this is the one that we're going to work on. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. And as you can see, it's a candle holder. You can put a candle in there. So what we will need is some Epsom salt. And obviously I'm not going to use the whole bag. So my husband uses this in his baths. So he will get the rest of this after we use this. You will need some glue. I got this from Walmart. Let's see if you can see tacky glue. And you will need, I got these. You can get these from Walmart as well. I think they're like $1 and some change to paint on the glue. And I got some glitter to mix in with the Epsom salt. You can get this from Walmart as well. And some optional things that you can use, which I use to decorate. I got this from the Dollar Tree, these berries, and I also got these this little plant from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use. Twine, you can use this or not. This isn't necessarily needed because you can't even see this on the globe, so I wouldn't even recommend you get this. Scissors. I got a new glue gun, a little bit bigger because I've been having a hard time with the small one. And I think that's pretty much it. So the first thing we're gonna do is, and I've already mixed this, so I don't wanna waste the Epsom salt, so I'm just gonna tell you what I did. You're gonna pour 1 cup of the Epsom salt, it doesn't matter what brand you get, into a bowl. And then you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of the glitter and mix it with the Epsom salt, which, again, I've already done that. And so what I'm gonna do is put the jar on here on a paper plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the glue. And you can just watch what I'm doing. Okay, so these were I want to make sure you can see them. These were the 3 snow globes that were Christmas snow globes that I created. It doesn't take long. They just need time to dry, but I want it to be quick so that I can, again, get the video out there. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing more knitting videos following this video. I wanted to do some DIY projects for Christmas, and now that Christmas is pretty much over, this will be the last Christmas DIY as I mentioned in the beginning. The next video should be a knitting video. So again, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.